So, good afternoon, dear students. We are going to start our class today.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, mute your audio. In the last class, we discussed about respiration, respiratory system. I hope all read that textbook, right? I hope
Yes,
it. I told you to read it. So, you should read that. Hmm? To revise that portion, I just want to ask some questions. Okay. Isa, are you ready? Are you ready? I can't hear your voice. Just raise your audio volume. Okay. I can't hear your voice. Okay, so I am asking the question to Neha. Neha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Neha, I want to ask one question. Okay. What do we call the process of taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide?
Respiration.
Very good. The name of the process is respiration. Okay. So next question, Dhanay, I can hear, unmute it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Can I ask question? Are you
Yes.
there in the last class?
No,
Why you took leave?
ma'am. My father go to out with my phone.
Oh, you are not available to that. Okay. So I will ask you. 1 minute. Let me see. Ronita, I think you were there here, right? Ronita sound also I can't hear. Fia, can you hear me, Fia?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, Najma, mute your audio. Fia, unmute your audio, then only I can hear it. Unmute it. Unmute your audio. Okay. Can I ask question? Fia?
Yes, ma'am.
Name the organ system in the body that helps in respiration. Name the organ system in the body that helps in respiration.
Ma'am.
Yes, Najma. 1 minute. I am asking to Fia. Fia, do you know the answer? Okay, Najma, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, not that. I came now only.
Okay, why you came now only? Why you can't come earlier? I started 5 minutes before.
Ma'am, what was the question? Respiration.
The question is, name the organ system in the body that helps in respiration. Okay, Fia, tell me the answer, Fia. Okay, who know the answer? Raise your hand. Bless twin.
Respiratory system.
Very good. Respiratory system. You should learn the spelling of the respiratory system. Now, today, after that we discussed in our last class. Today, we can continue with the parts of respiratory system. Which all organs in our body helps in the respiration, helps in our respiration. Are you ready with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I want to share my board. Everybody should switch on the, you should mute your audio, okay? In between, I will check your video also.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, see, can you see the
Excuse
image?
me, ma'am.
Yes, Shreya, what you want? Yes, tell me fast.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, I can hear, tell me.
Ma'am.
Shreya, tell me, I can hear. Don't waste time. So, here Can you see the board here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, one picture also, right?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can see the picture also. Almost everybody can see it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here we are going to discuss. Fia, why you keep the book there? Keep it down. I can't see your face. Parts of respiratory system. Today we are going to learn about the parts of respiratory.
Parts of respiratory system.
Everybody mute your audio. Parts of respiratory system. Okay. Here we can label the parts. First,
Ma'am, we should write it.
no. If you, it is there, everything is there in the textbook. Okay. So
Okay,
no,
ma'am.
just listen now. See, a nose with a pair of nostrils. Sometimes we use nose. Sometimes if some cold, if we are suffering from some cold or something, we will use mouth also for breathing. Am I right? So a nose. Yes. Who is calling? So first part it is the nose. Okay. First part of respiratory system is nose. A nose with a pair of nostrils. What do you mean by nostrils? What do you mean by nostrils?
And 2 holes.
The openings at the mouth. There are 2 openings through which the air comes into our body and goes out of our body. That is the first part. Second one, can you see a pipe
Yes,
connecting the nose and the lungs? Can you see a pipe?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Who is calling? Tell me the name. Yes,
Shreya is calling, ma'am. Shreya.
okay, what do you want, Shreya? Yes, tell me fast. I think she is facing some network problem. We can wait. Okay. So here, can you like food pipe? Like food pipe, you can see one long pipe here, right? That connects the nose and the lungs.
Mouth.
Nose and the lungs. Mouth also is getting one opening at there. So this long tube, we can call it as windpipe.
Windpipe.
What it is? Windpipe.
Windpipe.
Windpipe. Another name is there. That is called trachea.
Excuse me, ma'am.
That is called trachea. So
Excuse me, ma'am.
windpipe or trachea. Yes, who is calling? What do you want? Tell me. What is your problem? What happened?
Shreya, I thought.
Okay, but she is not responding. I am asking her. Only she is, excuse me, I can hear. Yes, Shreya, what do you want? Shreya. Okay, so windpipe or trachea. What is this word? Trachea. Say it.
Trachea. Trachea.
And all.
Trachea. Trachea.
Trachea. Trachea. What it is?
Trachea.
Trachea.
Mute your audio and practice. Mute your audio and practice. Prinova, mute your audio.
Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Next time I was not here too.
Okay,
This much
maybe.
time I didn't hear you, ma'am.
Okay, now can you hear?
Yes, ma'am. Now okay.
Now, okay. See, you are facing some network issue. In between, you are calling. I am answering to that, but you are not hearing that. Okay. So, wait. Windpipe or trachea. So, that is the second part. And another one, a pair of lungs. You can see lungs also, right? Lungs. How many are there?
Two.
In one pair.
Two.
Two means one pair. Okay. So these lungs are sac-like organ located in our chest. It is like a sac-like organ. Then it is protected by lungs are protected by, yeah, very good. Lungs are protected by rib cage.
Cage.
Okay, one specialty is there. Our left lung is smaller than the right.
lungs.
Okay, our left lung is smaller than our right one.
Right lungs.
So these are the things around this lungs. One pair of lungs. It is a sac-like organ situated in our chest. It is protected by the rib cage. Okay, and left lung is smaller than the right one. So these all are the parts of respiratory organ. And below the lungs, can you see a disc-like organ? Can you see a brown color? Yes. Can you see a brown colored disc-like?
Diaphragm.
Okay,
Diaphragms.
okay, that is called diaphragm. That is called diaphragm.
Diaphragm.
I will write it there and here. Just check it.
Ma'am.
Sorry. 1 minute. D-I-A-P-H-R-A-G-M. This is the diaphragm. Okay. See, everybody mute your audio. I can, Prinova, mute your audio. I can hear the sound from your house. Prinova. So, diaphragm. This is the diaphragm. Okay. Diaphragm is a muscle just below situated just below the lung. In the other chapter, in the muscular system, in one video, I showed you how the diaphragm works, right? How it contracts and how it expands. I showed it to you. Okay, are you remember about it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So these are the different parts of a respiratory system. Nose with a pair of nostrils. Then windpipe, another name is trachea. Windpipe or trachea. See, heart muscle or cardiac muscle. Both names were there, no? The same way, this long pipe has two names. Another one, a pair of lungs. Then diaphragm. It is a disc-like organ. Diaphragm. So, based on this, can I ask some questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
okay.
Can you say about diaphragm one more time?
Sorry? Okay. So, see, I can't hear some. Okay. See, let me see. I want the answer from Russell. Russell?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready to answer my question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which are protected by the rib cage?
Mama, lungs.
Lungs. Our lungs are protected by the rib cage. Very good. Okay. Another question to Naifa. Naifa, are you ready, Naifa? See, I can't hear your voice. So, I will call Daniel. Daniel?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Name any organ that helps in respiration.
Ma'am, lungs.
Lungs. Anyone you can say. Nose, windpipe, lungs, diaphragm. Anyone you can give it. Okay. Now, I am not particular telling anyone. You can choose any of the organ. Next one.
Ma'am.
Yes. See, you saw the diaphragm, right? I showed you the diaphragm. Okay.
I cannot see the board.
Yes, now I shared the board.
Yes, ma'am, I cannot see.
The old one, the parts of the respiratory system, I shared it. Can you see this? Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Diagram.
Okay, diagram. In this, I showed you diaphragm. It is a disc-like organ, a brown colored one. Here it is in brown color. That brown colored disc separates. It separates the legs from the stomach and intestine. Stomach is there, small intestine, large intestine, that all are present below it, right? So this diaphragm, this disc-like muscle called diaphragm, it separates the lungs from the stomach and intestine. Okay, so let me ask another question. Who can say? Let me check it. Danay. Okay, Danay. Helen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which separates the lungs from the stomach and intestine?
Ma'am, diagram.
Not diagram. Is it diagram?
Ma'am,
Diaphragm. Diaphragm. Okay. It is called diaphragm. Diaphragm. Okay. How to pronounce it? Diaphragm.
Diaphragm.
Diagram. Diagram is something which will show the image of something. Yes.
I cannot see nothing.
Who?
The name, ma'am.
The name. Before that it was everything clear. Okay. You was also. Okay. Asreya, you just mute your audio. Okay. So these are the things we want to learn from parts of respiratory system. Now we want to learn how we can do the respiration. How we can do the respiration. There are two main steps of respiration. Can anybody tell me which are those steps? Respiration includes two main steps. You know it. You are doing it every day.
Breathing in, breathing out.
Very good. I got the answer. Breathing in and breathing out. So, Prinova, can you answer my question, Prinova? See, I am giving chance to each and everybody, but they are not able to connect with me. Okay, Blesswin.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, while we breathe in, what we are doing, what is getting into our body at that time?
Oxygen.
Okay, oxygen into the lungs. Breathing in means oxygen into our lungs. While we do breathing out, Vinayak. Just before I saw Vinayak. Okay, Vishnu, while we do breathing out, what we are doing actually? What is breathing out?
Ma'am, giving out carbon dioxide.
Breathing out. We are giving out or breathing out carbon dioxide from the lungs. Okay, so these are the two simple steps. Two steps include in the respiration. So now I want to share my board. Okay. Two main steps of respiration. 1 minute. See, at that time you can check it whether your audio is muted. I can hear some sounds. Two main steps. Okay. In respiration, two main steps in respiration. They are, first one, let me draw it. Breathing. Can you read it?
Yes, ma'am.
Breathing involves Two main steps.
Ma'am, echo, ma'am.
1 minute. Patient, 1 minute. Patient.
Echo
Everyone
is
mute
coming.
your audio. See, somebody is unmuted. Who's this? See, it is a very big problem if you are not muting him. That is, Blesswin, sit in somewhere. Don't move here and there. Sit in somewhere. Prinova, mute your audio. Prinova, mute your audio. Learn how to mute it. Vinayak, Rajiv also, mute your audio. Okay, can I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, breathing. Breathing involves two main steps. First one is breathing out. Breathing in. First step involves breathing in, or we can tell breathe in. Breathe in. Okay. Breathe in. Another name for this breathe in.
Ma'am, we should write it.
Sorry.
Ma'am, we should write it. Inhale, ma'am,
If you
inhale.
want to write it in a rough book, you can. But the same thing is
Ma'am,
there in the
inhale.
textbook.
Inhale.
Okay, but you have to give attention to this. Okay.
Inhale, ma'am.
Inhale. Breathing involves two steps. First one is
Inhale.
breathe in. Another name for breathe in is inhale. What we are breathing in? Oxygen.
Oxygen.
We are breathing in oxygen from the air to lungs. That name, the other name for breathing is inhale. Okay.
Inhale.
Okay, so this is the first step. First step.
Yes.
Another one, breathe out. So,
Exhale.
yeah,
Exhale.
breathe out. Breathe out. Okay, in breathe out, another name of it is exhale.
Exhale.
These are the two steps involved in the respiration. Very simple, right? Breathing
Yes,
in
ma'am.
or inhale oxygen into the lungs. Breathing out or exhale carbon dioxide from the lungs. These are the two main steps in the respiration. Okay. So, can I stop sharing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is there any doubt
Yes, ma'am.
regarding this one?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. So, mute your audio. Okay. So, in the before that we learned about two steps in the respiration. I want to get answer from Abhimanyu. No need to wear any mask now. You simply sit and listen. So, can you give me the answer? Which is the
Ma'am.
first step in respiration?
Ma'am, you can hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Abhimanyu, which is the first step in respiration?
Breathing.
Breathe in. Breathing or breathing. What can you give me the other name for breathing? Other name? Vaiga, can you give me the other name for breathing?
Inhale.
Inhale. What you are inhaling?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. Okay. And next question. Russell. Russell. Okay. Which is the second step in the respiration? The second step in respiration. Second step in respiration. Darren, which is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
yes? Tell me second step of respiration.
Breathing out carbon dioxide.
Breathing out carbon dioxide. Can you tell me the other name for breathing out?
Exhale.
Exhale. Okay. So So these are the two steps in the respiration. Now, see not only the lungs. See I can hear some voice. Helen, mute your audio. The sound from some television or something. Okay. So, what happened? I'm muting you all. Okay. Now, can you hear me? I
Yes,
hope you
ma'am.
can hear it. Okay. So,
Yes,
not
ma'am.
only the lungs, the diaphragm also has an important role in breathing. Okay. Diaphragm also has an important role in breathing. I will show another image. Just wait. I want to share one another image. Up to that, what you have to do? You should keep quiet, okay? Okay. 1 minute, let me load it, okay? Okay. Now the picture is ready. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
No,
Can
ma'am.
you? No, just wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe sometimes it won't come all on a sudden. Okay, you just wait. Okay. See now, can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
two
ma'am.
diagrams,
Ma'am.
right? One is what? So I will call Joel. Just leave the class. It is 5D class. Okay. Vishnu, just read the what it is written down the picture.
Breathing in and breathing out. And breathing out.
See, breathing is there. Breathing is
Breathe.
there. In.
Ma'am,
Breathe
breathe.
in and breathe out.
In.
Breathe in and breathe out. Okay. Am I correct? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, if using this image, we can explain the action of diaphragm. This breathe in and breathe out happen due to the up and down movement of the diaphragm. Can you see it here, right? Breathe in.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I will mark it so you can easily see that. Okay. See here, you can see the position of the diaphragm. You can see the position of the diaphragm in breathing. In breathing, the diaphragm moves upward. Am I right? No, moves downward. Can you see it? It moves downward. You can see an arrow. Okay. So while we breathe in, the diaphragm moves downwards. That means it contracts. It contracts. When it becomes down, the chest space becomes more. So the lungs can expand. Understood? So it
Yes, ma'am.
moves down to take oxygen. When the diaphragm moves down, the chest space increases, lungs can expand more, so we can take oxygen. Is it clear?
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. While we exhale, that is breathe out. What we are doing actually, when we breathe out, this diaphragm moves upward direction. You can see it is becoming upward, right? When it becomes upward, the space in the chest become less, so the lungs can push the carbon dioxide outside. So again let me explain. While we breathe out, while we exhale, what is actually happening? The diaphragm moves up to release the carbon dioxide. When it moves up, the chest space becomes less. from the lens, carbon dioxide will push out of our body. That is called exhale. I hope you understood both the process. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let me explain one more time. While we breathe in, our diaphragm,
hear you.
while we breathe in, our diaphragm comes down.
The time is over.
Okay, that I know. But I have to say, just listen to teachers, okay? The rest of the things, they will see it. Don't worry. While we breathe in, the diaphragm comes down. So the oxygen gets into our body. When we breathe out, the diaphragm moves upward. So the carbon dioxide goes out from our body. So today we learn what all things, different parts of respiratory system. Two main steps of respiration and the important role of diaphragm while breathing. These 3 points are very, very important. You should read the textbook thoroughly.
Ma'am.
Okay? Yes?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Okay. So just check your connection. Okay. I think all others can hear me, right?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
okay. So,
Ma'am.
I want to end my class today. We can meet it
Excuse
next
me,
class.
ma'am.
Okay, read the textbook. I will send the notes also. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.